Alright everybody, welcome to Captain Ryan's Outboard Adventures. Working on the 70 Evinrude today. Starter stuck a couple times. I'd rather that not happen while I'm on the lake. So I'm going to throw a new starter on. I already pulled off the air covers. All you need is a 7/16 socket and a 1/2 inch socket. Make sure you took the battery terminals off, because if you let all the smoke out, it ain't going to work no more. So, all you gotta do is take this wire off, boom, 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 and we're gonna get after it.
We decided we needed a break, so with a couple of friends named Jack and Jim is all it's gonna take. To get my drink on this weekend, we're gonna party till the break of dawn and get tore up from the floor up till my chick little light comes on.
Don't lose that little guy.
Monday's here, I'm headed off to work, hung over from the nights before. Because Friday, I punched the clock, I'm headed straight to the liquor store. To get my drink on this weekend, gonna party till the break of dawn and get tore up from the floor up till my chick.
There's the old starter. I went ahead and put the new one up so I'm not juggling my phone like a ding dong, but I don't know if y'all can see. Got one wire to hook up there. Give this bad boy a couple ugga-duggas. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. That right there is the officially Cajun approved amount of ugga-duggas for this here particular motor. So on the power wire, canned ugga-duggas. Change that bad boy around a little bit. I don't like that wire being kinky. That right there ought to do it. I'm gonna hook up the battery real quick and then we'll give her a test bump, eh? Alright, I just got the battery hooked up. I'm gonna give her a test bump. Hi-yow! Looks like that'll do it. She ain't hooked up to water, so I'm not gonna let y'all hear her scream, but that is a heck of an old motor. I don't have her hooked up to water, so I'm not going to run her for y'all, but that is a clean old 1992 Evinrude 70, and she pushes this little Cajun Special about 43 and 44 miles an hour. Now we're going to get hydrated and we're going to hit the lake.